Welcome to day 21 of IELTS Speaking Part 1 Practice Series. The topic for today is online learning. The question for today is: do you enjoy online learning? This is the first question of the class. And let's do the response analysis targeting band 6, band 7 and band 8. For band 6, yes, I enjoy online learning because it is easy and convenient. Simple answer, yet complete. Band 7, yes, I enjoy online learning since I can study from home and manage my time effectively. See, for the band 7, the person has given an instance from the personal life. Band 8. Yes, I genuinely enjoy online learning because it offers flexibility and allows me to access educational resources from anywhere. If you notice, what's the difference in three answers? First, that person gave the direct answer plus uh, general data to it. Second person gave the direct answer, gave an instance from his or her personal life or the experience of online learning, giving or targeting the personal opinion. In the third, the person gave a very effective answer by focusing on the like personal take on online learning. First of all, that person said, yes, I genuinely, targeting I means giving the instance from the personal life, genuinely enjoy online learning. But why? Gave the reason and added something more that was from his or her personal day to day life experience. Question number second: have you ever taken an online course? Yes, I have taken a few online courses. Direct answer, no further information. For band 7, yes, I have completed several online courses mainly related to language learning and technology. Band 8, yes, I have taken multiple online courses, particularly in language development and digital skills, which helped me improve my knowledge significantly. Now, the person three of them first gave an direct answer by saying yes, I have, yes, I have, yes, I have. Then for the band 6 analysis, if we analyze the answer for band 6, they just gave a direct answer. Then for the band 7, that person uh, is telling us that he has completed several online courses that were related to technology and language learning. The third person, he just changed a bit of the vocabulary. First it was few online courses, then it was several online courses. This person chose to say multiple online courses. Particularly he's focusing on language development and digital skills, and then how those courses help that person. Now, band 6, for the question number 3, yes, online learning is effective. Okay. Do you think online learning is effective? For band 6, the person gave a direct answer, no further information. These kind of answers are disliked by me personally because you are not in grade first or second. Yes, online learning is effective. Band 7, yes, it is effective because they are using the connective link because to give the reason. Students can learn at their own pace. For band 8, yes, online learning can be highly effective. They added something more to the word effective as it provides flexibility, personalized learning opportunities, and access to a wide range of educational materials. A complete answer in itself. Why it is effective? Very good answer. Like, it provides flexibility, personalized learning opportunities, and you can learn from a wide sources of resources, educational resources. Now, question number 4. What are the advantages of learning online? Or what are the advantages of online learning? First of all, it saves time and is convenient. Simple answer, yet complete. If we analyze the answer or the response for band 7, it states that online learning is convenient and allows students to access lessons easily. And if we focus on band 8, one major advantage is flexibility, as students can learn anytime and access educational content without geographical limitations. Now, this is what I call perfect answer, gave all the plus points of online learning in a very easy, organized manner. The word without geographical limitations is a plus to this answer. That is something that made this answer a complete and a wonderful answer. Question number 5. What are the advantages of online learning? For band 6, sometimes students get distracted. Yeah, that is. But if you say what are the disadvantages of online learning, was it a nice answer to say sometimes students get distracted, no starting? So you should have said that, in my opinion, the basic disadvantage of online online learning is that students get distracted very easily. Or you might have said, honestly speaking, what I consider the disadvantage of online learning is distraction. Even students, elders, anyone doing work can get distracted while working online or learning new topic online. Band 7. A disadvantage is that students may lose focus and have less interactions. Sometimes we are learning from the pre recorded lectures where the interaction between a student and a teacher becomes a minimum. So, somewhere that interaction is being lost in the vicious circle of online learning. But here also, I would have started the answer stating that, in my personal view or considering my personal opinion, I would say the biggest disadvantage is that students may lose focus and have less interaction. If I analyze the band 8 answer, one drawback is the lack of face to face interaction, which may reduce engagement and make learning less interactive. The thing is that when we are doing online learning, sometimes there are live sessions also, but there are offline sessions also, like online offline session, what I call it, because the pre-recorded lectures are there, you listen it, you type your queries, and the professors or the instructors answer those queries in a day or 2 days or within an hour, but that interaction is halted somewhere. So the lack of face to face interaction makes online learning not a good option, for especially for students who have queries or who are deeply into learning. Question number 6. Do you prefer online learning or traditional learning? The worst answer that someone can give is I prefer online learning. No, you should say, if you ask me, I think both of them have their own advantages and disadvantages, but if I have to choose among the two, I will prefer online learning. For band 7, I prefer online learning because it is more flexible, or it is more flexible than it, you should have added here, than traditional learning. For band 8, I prefer online learning as it allows me to study comfortably at my own pace while accessing a variety of learning resources. Whereas when I used to study through traditional learning, there were many aspects of education that remained untouched, and that was something that I didn't like. You should go for a healthy comparison whenever you are being asked what you prefer. Now, the vocabulary for this topic. Flexibility, it means ability to adapt easily, or the synonym can be adaptability. Convenient is easy and practical, something that is comfortable. Educational resources, learning material or study content. Engagement means involvement or our interest to get involved into something, and the synonym can be participation. Interactive means involving communication or something that's engaging. Accessibility means easy to reach or use, and the synonym can be availability. Personalized, customized for individual needs or something that we make as we want it, a tailored form of something. Now, the adjectives. Flexible means easy to adjust, convenient, simple and practical, interacting, involving more participation, effective, that can produce good outcomes or good results, accessible, something that is easy to use or reach, engaging, that is interesting and very attractive. The phrases that can be used while answering, sorry, uh, phrases that can be used while answering the questions or responding to the questions related to the topic online learning. Study at my own pace, that is, learn according to my personal needs. Accessing educational resources, use learning materials. Attend online classes, join the virtual classes. Improve learning experience, make education better. Stay focused on studies, concentrate on learning. Gain knowledge remotely, learn from a distance when we are not present at a place where the meeting or the learning is going on. Synonym upgrade, learn to acquire knowledge, easy, convenient, important, essential, that is very vital. Improve, to improve means to enhance. Help means to assist, interesting, something that is engaging. And now comes the pro strategy. While answering or while giving the answers to or preparing your response, you should focus on three things. First, your opinion, second, the reason, and third, the example. Instead of giving short answer like the basic, I like online learning. But why? Advanced can be, I enjoy online learning because it is extremely flexible. For example, I can attend classes from home and access study materials anytime, which makes learning more convenient. See, this is the difference that brings the difference in your bands. If you are giving direct answer, don't expect for band 8 or band 7. Then just be satisfied with band 5.5, 5 or 6. If your target is good, then your answer should be or your response should be good. Now, the golden tip, use words like flexible, interactive, accessible, engaging, effective when you are focusing on the responses related to online learning topic. These words immediately improve your vocabulary score. That's it for the class today. I hope it was a class that was helpful for you, or you came to know how you can respond for the topic online learning. You can frame your questions, you may use the vocabulary and the synonyms that I have provided you, and you can also expand your own vocabulary, including the adjectives, synonyms, and phrases for answering the questions, because one phrase can be used at multiple places. The more you practice, the better is your score. So kindly be kind to yourself and focus on your growth by learning and by exploring your own capabilities of learning. Thank you.